Open the box and remove the ZIP Purifier. Remove the transformer from the polystyrene cover. Plug the transformer wire into the power socket on the back of the ZIP. And plug the electric cord into a wall socket. Pull the supply pitcher out. Place the pitcher under a faucet and fill it. Fill to the max level marked on the front of the pitcher. Replace the supply pitcher into the base of the ZIP. Be sure the pitcher is securely seated into the base. Press the control button once. After filtering, pure water will be stored in the upper reservoir. Concentrated water is directed back to the supply pitcher. 50% of the water will be purified for drinking, and the remaining 50% concentrated water can be used for washing, watering plants, and other uses. When filtering is complete, the indicator will show a steady yellow light and you will hear a steady beep. When the supply pitcher is removed and replaced, it will reset the filtering process. Push in or pull out on the handle to dispense water. Pay attention to these points. The light indicator will show if the supply pitcher is placed properly or not. When the ZIP is ready to filter, the light will be solid blue. When you pull out the supply pitcher, it changes to flashing yellow. The sensor behind the supply pitcher will detect if the pitcher is seated properly. Water will be drawn from the back of the pitcher into the filter here. When the supply pitcher is placed properly, the LED light will be solid blue, showing the purifier is ready to use. Do not reuse the high concentrate water remaining in the supply pitcher. Pour this off before refilling the pitcher. Using fresh water with each batch will help protect the filters and the RO membrane from damage, giving a longer service life for the filters. Initializing the filters before the first use. When using ZIP for the first time, and when changing the post filter, do not drink the water from the first 2 filtration cycles. After each cycle, empty both the supply pitcher and the pure water pitcher. After the second cycle, remove the pure water pitcher and clean it. Use tap water to clean the pure water reservoir and supply pitcher. The system is now ready to use.